Welcome, everyone. Based on countless hours of research and independent studies, we have formulated and selected the best products of this year, saving you time scrolling through hundreds of internet websites and numerous trips to stores looking for that right product. We have compiled a list of the top recommended products. With great attention to detail, we have analyzed every product's value for the money spent, features and functionality, and also customer and expert reviews when we selected the best products. Spending a few minutes to watch this video about the top recommended products of the year will allow you to formulate a more decisive decision. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
How would you like to enjoy endless hot water? Well, you can with an EcoSmart tankless water heater. You just have to select the right model that fits your needs, which is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. You need to determine the inlet water temperature in your location. Simply refer to the sizing map. Find your inlet water temperature based on the color of your location. For example, a Florida home will have a warmer inlet water temperature of 67 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit than a home in Minnesota, which has a colder inlet water temperature of 37 to 42 degrees Fahrenheit. This means in a colder climate like Minnesota's, your tankless water heater will have to work harder to heat your water because it requires a greater temperature rise, while your tankless water heater doesn't have to work as hard in a warmer climate, such as Florida's, because it requires a lower temperature rise. 2. Once you've determined your inlet water temperature, you need to figure out your gallons per minute. You'll see the gallons per minute and approximate usage on the color-coded chart with shower and faucet symbols under your determined inlet water temperature. For example, if you live in South Florida, your inlet water temperature would be 77 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you plan on running 2 faucets and a shower simultaneously, your gallons per minute would be 2.68, so you would require the Eco 11 tankless water heater. 3. Before choosing a tankless water heater, find out if your home has the necessary electrical requirements to support the unit you need. Since they have greater voltage requirements, you may need to have a qualified electrician install upgraded breakers and thicker gauge wiring to handle the increase in power. For example, an Eco 11 requires one 6-gauge wire and a 60-amp double-pole breaker to function properly. The only thing you need to do now is have a professional install your EcoSmart unit. With simple installation, an endless supply of hot water is just 3 easy steps away. 1. Mount the unit in a convenient location in your home. 2. Once mounted with the unit turned off, run water through it to remove any air pockets to enhance the unit's efficiency. And finally, 3. Activate the unit. To find out which EcoSmart tankless water heater model is right for you, simply refer to our sizing map and interactive sizing guide. For more information about our product,
Unlike a tank water heater, a tankless electric water heater will never run out of hot water. But turn on one too many taps and tankless electric water heaters have difficulty keeping up with the demand. That is until Stiebel Eltron invented advanced flow control. An integral part of every Tempra Plus whole house tankless water heater, advanced flow control stops that cold water surprise. Here's how it works. In a tankless electric water heater, everything works fine during periods of low demand. With a properly sized heater, everything is also fine during periods of medium demand. But if a high demand period overloads the tankless unit, water heaters from other manufacturers can't keep up, and the hot water turns cold. But in a Stiebel Eltron Tempra Plus, advanced flow control automatically reduces the flow rate slightly to keep the hot water temperature at the set point. Advanced flow control was invented by Stiebel Eltron and is found only in our Tempra Plus whole house water heaters. No other manufacturer of tankless electric water heaters has anything like it. Stiebel Eltron Tempra Plus with advanced flow control gives you a hot shower. Every time, all the time.